For many years, Giacomini have been developing new innovations and solutions in order to provide comfort and energy saving. Now we introduce a second generation of heating and cooling systems. Our giacoklima is the most comfortable and economical system. The first thing to do is to examine the project, then to install the main pipes of distribution, the air ducts, and to finish the electrical cable connections. The following installation has been fitted in a conference room and is a cross-version structure, utilising tiles having a 1.2 by 1.2 metres. These tiles have a steel surface with holes, and on the top they have aluminium diffusers carrying water either for heating or for cooling. The first operation is the assembly of the structure. Once the hangers have been fixed to the ceiling, the main support is also suspended. The installation is made by means of bolts to ensure a good, stable connection. Here we see the connections between load bearings and ceiling holders. For GK120 series, the load bearings are mounted each 120 centimetres. The installation requires a perfect level, and this is obtained by means of a laser tool. When the main structure is prepared, the fixing springs are located into the tiles. This allows the opening and closing of the tiles for all requirements. When the tile is located on its seat on the main load bearing, the diffusers are connected to each other by using a Giacomini push fitting. When the connection is complete, the tile is closed up to the structure. Before each distribution line, a balancing valve, our model R206, is installed for commissioning, as indicated on the project of the installation. When looking at the upper part between ceiling and false ceiling, the so-called plenum, we can see the air ducts with air inlets, the aluminium diffusers, and all components fixed to the ceiling. The installation must always be carried out in relation to the project, and includes operations typical for plumbers and ceiling fixers. By following the right installation sequence, the result is an attractive, aesthetical installation able to supply the comfort that only Giacomini can guarantee.